I just bought these 3 jars of watches for a whopping $25, so I'm so excited to see with you guys whether we made some money or lost some money. So let's check it out. I haven't really had the chance to look through these to see what we've got, so stick around, we'll find out, and we'll see how much everything is worth. Starting off with this first jar here, I'm just gonna open this guy up. It's gonna be easier with a knife because they really taped it up well. So there we go. We're gonna kind of look through every single thing we got in here, see if there's any value. I think there is going to be a few gems, but let's find out. So, starting us off, we got this Ecos. I don't think that's worth too much. Nothing crazy. Narmi. Whenever it's something like this, where it's like a bracelet rather than an actual strap, those tend to be worth less, particularly the women's, of course. This one's actually running, but no name, so nothing super interesting. This is not a watch. Just a little butterfly. Kind of nice. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is a little more interesting. This is a Caprice quartz watch on a really old NATO style band. This could be relatively interesting. Worth maybe like 20 bucks, something like that, if it's running. And we've got the Jazz. It's a bit of a better brand, but nothing good. Then we've got, ew, what is this? Oh, wait, this is really cute. Hold on. So, I don't know what all of this stuff is, but some of the jewelry here is kind of nice. Hold on. Okay, this is really hard to untangle, so I'm just going to leave it aside for now. But anyways, let's keep going. Got an IK. A carriage. So this would be kind of interesting usually, but it's in such bad condition. This is basically unusable. Nothing super cool. Then we got an ACO. Never heard of that brand before. Here we've got a Fitbit, I think. It's an old Fitbit. I think that's what that is. A no-name Fitbit, maybe. I'm not sure. And we've got a Coleman, which I didn't know Coleman made watches. Okay, there we go. This one's kind of cool. This is an old Timex, a vintage one. Maybe it's a bit small, but this could be a men's. This one is probably going to work if I change the battery. The condition's really good for this kind of watch. So this already in itself is worth like 30 bucks. So that already paid for the whole lot. So nice little find, great condition. I think another Fitbit right here. Yeah, see, that one's got the Fitbit layout, I think. So this one for sure is a Fitbit, from what I understand. I don't think they're worth anything, but, you know, still nice. And this is a bit of a nice no-name one. Oh, it's got a name. It says N. Okay. N for Naweliano. Then what do we got here? More butterfly thingies. Then we got a bracelet. Whoa. Wait, what? This is crazy. It's like a chain bracelet with like a clock in the middle. A watch. Susie. It's kind of interesting. I've never seen a design like this. Kind of crazy. Then we've got this nice little square one, but of course no name as well. And we've got ooh, nice purple dial, but no name. Okay. Then another no name little one. And then what is this? Citron? Like lemon? In French? Citron. Wow. It's actually kind of nice. Okay, so what this means is that this was one of the watches that was sitting there that was kind of priced and it didn't sell, so they just put it inside these lots, which I think is what happened for most of these. Some of these are just like broken, too bad condition to actually put out on the shelves and stuff. But this is nice, dude. It's a really nice Citron. And what is this? Montre mauve gros cadran. Purple watch with a big display, I guess. Big face. Okay. Interesting. Not worth anything crazy, but what are these things down here? They look like clip-on earrings. Seems kind of like crazy big for earrings. And then there's a little pin in here too, I think. Let's see if I can take that out. What is that? Oh, it's like a ghost that's like swooshing down. I don't know. What does it say? Spear 1998. Okay. I'm honestly not even sure what this is. It looks like a ghost. It's like diving. I don't know. Okay, moving on to the next little jar. I'm gonna cut it open just like the other one. See what we've got in here. So far, I mean, everything's paid off with one of the watches from the last lot. So that's not too bad. We're doing pretty good. This is a Turner. That's missing half the band. Nothing super good. I think what I'm gonna do for a lot of these is just list it as a big lot of watches, you know, and just kind of maybe auction them or something on eBay. I'll have to see. MSI. Yeah, nothing super interesting in here. This one's also like missing the thing there. Oh, that's my style right there. An old Dora the Explorer. Wow. I don't know what that is. Oh. Oh. Oh no. What is that? I can't read the brand. Doesn't seem too crazy though. It's missing the case back. Is it a Coleman too? No, something else. Oh no, it is a Coleman. But, you know, missing that kind of strap. This is completely irreplaceable. I don't even know what this is. Feels very cheap. Oh, well, there's the rest of the Coleman. And yeah, nothing super interesting. Got some jewelry, okay. Old watch there too. VTech, wow, look at that. That's a smartwatch right there if I've ever seen one. And what is this? Wow, My Little Pony. 2021 Hasbro, it's modern. Oh, missing the little clip at the end, so. And then, what is this? Laurier. Oh, see, this one's kind of nice. I don't think it's a crazy brand or anything, but the design is nice enough to where, like, you know, someone could want that for 15, 20 bucks, something like that. Oregon. Scientific, okay. I don't love that. And, oh, wait a second. What is this, dude? Look at that. A nice horse pendant. Feels kind of like a stone or like glass. That's so nice. Wow. Beautiful. Who would have known that the nicest thing in here is not even a watch? Oh, more of the butterflies. Oh no. Some little pearl bracelets. And then, oh my god, an Apple Watch. Just kidding. I don't know what this is. China watch. Some earrings. I'd rather not touch that. Oh my lord, they really just dumped a bunch of stuff inside this jar. Okay. Okay. This would fit the My Little Pony. Okay. Caprice. This one's decent, but without that strap, it's useless. And some like weird hardware. I don't know what this is. A little bracelet of some kind. Is this silver? No, it's not. Okay, now on to the last one. Last jar. Let's see what we get. Look at that. What is this? Oh, thank you, Jacqueline, for this beautiful gift. The tournesol. What is tournesol? A sunflower angel. Wow. What is that? Some hardware of some kind? Oh, these are like square earrings, I think. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a Fitbit strap for sure. Whoa. This is like glass. Wait, no, it's like quartz. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's like a quartz bangle. Interesting. We got a little heart. Oh, wait, this is actually nice. It's like a solid heart of wood. It's cute. And then a little, wait, oh, I think those are glasses. Glasses straps or whatever. Some sort of smartwatch. Another busted up Fitbit. Oh my god, that is crazy, dude. Imagine rocking that. Crazy. Extendicare. I have no idea what the brand that is. This one too. Herald something. An old Timex, but with the busted up strap like that, it's not really salvageable in any way. Whoa, look at that. It's one of those like flip cover watches. Oh, maybe you have to. Whoa, wait, that's sick. Hold on, can you see in there? What's the brand name? Melbana? Yeah, let me take a look at that. Seems to be non-running, but Medana is the name. That's a mechanical wind watch. Let's see if it works. I'll listen to it. No, it doesn't look like it's running. But what a cool little piece right here. So mechanical movement, so it's like a little, it's got a little machine in there. It doesn't take a battery. You just wind it and that's how it runs. Kind of crazy. Wow. Interesting. Okay, we got another Fitbit strap, little ring, another Fitbit. Just the Fitbit lot. Another horse thing. Look at that. A little pin or something. Ooh, this one's kind of dirty. Yeah. Okay. What is that? Some fishies. Okay. Ooh, this strap is kind of interesting for Fitbit. Yeah, for Fitbit. Okay, this one too. Another Fitbit. There's so many Fitbits. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that's a whistle. Whistle made out of a horn. That is very cool. Look at that. Huh. Not gonna put that in my mouth though. Another horse watch. What is that? Snowy the Snowman. Whoa, Flash McQueen. Very lit. Some little hardware pieces too. Connectors. Okay. Ooh, a little bird. And what is this? Roots. Okay. Could be interesting. Ladies watch. Maybe 15 bucks. Something like that. And Fitbit. Type vibe. Whoa. Is that a 585 carat diamond? Crazy. This, I have no idea what this is. Some sort of smartwatch from China. And I think this is the last one. It's actually not bad. A glow blue. Kind of cool. And then a bunch of random little things. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Overall, you know, let's bring this all in the middle. Nothing crazy. I would say maybe the most interesting thing that we got today was the little Timex here. That's actually in really good shape. So this would probably cover the cost of the whole lot. And it was fun. And this is honestly something that I can run in 1 or 2 separate little auctions for watches. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, thank you guys for following along. It was fun to kind of go through everything that we got. Nothing crazy, no insane finds today, but it was fun. Have a good one.